What's up, guys? Today we're doing a comparison between the stock Halehound CYD and the Wi-Fi Marauder version 8. Let's get right into it. And I will only be talking about the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features of these two devices. I know that the V8 can do GPS, which allows for war driving, where the Halehound cannot. But for the sake of this video, we'll just be talking about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Alright, so starting off, I'll just go through both of these and show you. So if we tap on the Wi-Fi submenu, alright, so here we can see the Wi-Fi submenu for the Halehound CYD has packet monitor, beacon spammer, Wi-Fi deauthor, probe sniffer, Wi-Fi scanner, captive portal, station scanner, and auth flood. And the V8 has 4 different submenus, which are sniffers, scanners, attacks, and general. So right off the bat, the V8 has way more Wi-Fi tools. Just to save a ton of time on this video, I will say that all of the features that the CYD has for Wi-Fi and for Bluetooth, the V8 also has. But that doesn't really matter if you've got all you need on the CYD and it works well, right? So let's check out these features. So starting off here, we'll go to packet monitor. So these are the 2 different screens for packet monitors. Now, one of them, on the left, the CYD, shows you kind of like a waterfall monitor, and you can see by the middle, depending on how far out the lighter colors in the middle go, that's how much saturation there is on the network. Whereas on this device, you can see it's like a little graph, and depending on how high those little green guys go, that is how much traffic there is on the channel. So for channel monitoring, it's really just preference. Now you've also got the beacon spammer. So I don't need to show that, but essentially what it does is it sends a ton of funny or random or rickroll different Wi-Fi access points, but that's really all it does, and it's pretty useless. Both of these devices have it, and they both do it pretty decently. These devices can also both do Wi-Fi deauthing. I'm not going to show it on the channel, but do remember you're doing this all for educational purposes only. This is me giving myself permission to test on my own hardware and networks. But so these devices can both deauth, and I have tested it on both of them, and it works on both of them. But I do need to address the elephant in the room, and that is the CYD is 2.4G, and the V8 can do 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, which is a huge advantage going into this new digital era. Nobody's going to be using 2.4 gigahertz in the coming future. Also, I will say, as of right now, the range is better on the V8, but it's a super simple and easy mod to mod the CYD to have an antenna. And also, I will say, this case I 3D printed with my new Bamboo Lab A1 mini printer. So I definitely like this way more with the case. And then we also have other things like captive portals on both of these devices and all kinds of other stuff. What I will say, I've been having a bit of trouble on the V8 getting a captive portal HTML file onto it to actually start one, and on the Halehound CYD, I have been able to start a captive portal, but I've also been having problems when actually trying to connect to it. I've been having a bit of problems with both of these. And again, on both of these devices, you have a lot of the same similar features. I don't need to show them all, but they're everything that you would expect on a Wi-Fi device. Now, I will say the CYD maxed out version by Jesse Hale, that one is not meant to be like the V8. It's meant to be a multi-tool like the Flipper, and it can do a ton of stuff, whereas the V8 is only for Wi-Fi. Of course, it does dabble in Bluetooth and GPS, but this is a Wi-Fi device. It's called the Wi-Fi Maruader for a reason, whereas the CYD, running the Halehound firmware, and the maxed out version by Jesse Hale, that's meant to do so many other things. So obviously, multi-tool is not going to be as good at one thing as a device that only does that would be. And then you've also got your standard Bluetooth features, such as BLE Jammer, which the CYD, none of these 2 devices can do. You need an NRF24 for that. But they can also do BLE Spoofer, BLE Beacon, Predator, Whisper Pair, all kinds of stuff. These devices can both essentially do the same basic Bluetooth attacks, although it's not like anybody's going to be doing a BLE spam in 2026, right? But I will say, I've pointed this out in other videos, I do love the Lunatic Fringe feature on the Halehound CYD. I mean, it's super useful. And then on top of that, I will say another feature that I do wish that the ESP Marauder had, it technically does have this, but in multiple different separate applications, whereas you can go on the Halehound CYD to Jam Detect and Wi-Fi Guardian, and here it'll show you 3 different security, standpoints. You can see if any beacon spamming is going on, you can see if any disassociation attacks are going on, and if any deauth attacks are going on, whereas on the V8, you can see all those individually, but not one beautiful page just like this, where you can monitor a channel. So yeah, in the end, I would say that these devices are both super capable. They can both do kind of different things if you have the maxed out CYD. However, This device is an amazing multi-tool. If you, like I said, if you have all the components. If you don't, obviously the Wi-Fi Marauder is better at Wi-Fi because it's called the Wi-Fi Marauder. Although I will say, the jam detect feature is amazing. So yeah, that's my quick review on these two super cool devices. If you liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the links in the description and purchase one of these products off Amazon. It is no extra cost to you, and it only supports me and helps my channel grow to get more cool devices like this. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.